Hi guys, good day. This is Engineer Regan. We have a problem here sent by a person who wants to take the civil service exam here in the Philippines, and it seemed like he didn't know what to do about it, so he sent me this problem and asked me to do a solution for him. So, by the way, if you are a high school student and you're aiming to take also for the college entrance test exam, this is a very good reference, okay, for your exam. So let's try. It says here the average of a list of six numbers is 20, okay. If we remove one of the numbers, the average of the remaining numbers is 15. So what is the removed number? Wow. Okay. So it says it says here that you have six numbers, okay, and five of those numbers its average is 15. So it would be safe if I'll be making a equation about it. It's safe to say that if the average of the five numbers is 15, then it's safe to say that each of the number, those all five numbers, is 15. Would you agree? Plus another number, the sixth number, and we don't know yet what that number is. Because by the time that you add that other number, when you get its average, okay, you divide this one by 6 now. Why? Because there are now six numbers. Its average now changes from 15, it becomes now 20. Okay, again, you might ask, why did I multiply 5 by 15? Because it says there that the five numbers, aside from the last number, the other number, these numbers, the average is 15. So therefore, it's safe that all of those numbers are just 15, right? So I just multiply those five numbers by 15 and then added another number, which we do not know yet. That's why we call it x. And then when we get its average, we equate it to 20. Because according to the problem, the average of those six numbers is 20. Okay? And then from there, we have already created an equation, which is this. So what makes this one easy at this point is all I need to do is I just have to solve for x. So I'll multiply first both sides by 6, right? So this one cancels out, and then this becomes now 120. Would you agree? And then on the other side, this one cancels out. So all I have left here is 5 times 15 plus x. All right? So 5 times 15, I'll get what? 75 plus x is equals to 120. To solve for x, I will just have to transpose 75 to the other side. This becomes 120 minus 75, which is x is equals to 45. So meaning the sixth number, the number that we don't know yet, is 45. Okay? So when you add 45 to those five numbers, which is an average of 15, its entire average changes to 20. So I guess I made it easy for you, especially for you, someone who sent me this problem. I hope finally we're able to understand the entire question and the solution as well. So thank you for giving me the privilege to give you the solution. Okay, so that's all. This is Engineer Regan. Bye.